Morning everyone, the newsletter is brought in by Association of Grade-VIII Topaz. International National is brought in by State from Grade-VIII Topaz. International news. Oil prices fall on ceasefire extension but stay near $100 a barrel as Strait of Hormuz remains closed. National news. President Grade-VIII inaugurates project in Rourkela promoting infrastructure and inclusive growth. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Thought is brought to you by Siddharth from Grade-VIII Topaz. To a thought, every success starts with the decision to try. I will repeat again. Every success starts with the decision to try. Thank you. My name is Ranjit from Grade-VIII Topaz. Students weather report. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 40 degrees Celsius, precipitation 0%, air quality moderated. That's the end of students' report. Thank you.
What is brought to you by citizen of Grade-VIII Topaz? Stereotype. It means having an idea on particular thing or person which is not real in real life. Friends, please repeat after me. S-T-E-R-E-O-T-Y-P-E. Stereotype. Thank you.
My name is Kesa of Grade-VIII Topaz. Today to tell us we got English. English connects people across the world. It helps us to learn, communicate and succeed. English is language of opportunities. It opens the door to better future. English is not just a subject. It is a skill to our life. To grow in today's world, English is essential. It connects knowledge with success. In conclusion, English is the bridge that connects world. Through English, world becomes world. Thank you and have a short day ahead.
My name is Keta from Grade-VIII Topaz and we are my friend Saraswati. Now we are going to do conversation on power of simple English. Hi Saraswati, the power of simple English is useful in day-to-day life. Yes, Saraswati. It helps everyone understand easily. We did not need a big word to speak them. Yes, simple words make our message clear. And simple English is make a confidence in ourselves. Yes, that is why simple English is powerful. And we did not need a useful thing instead of using the power of simple English. Yes, simple English also improve our communication skills. And it is also helpful day-to-day life. Okay, Taro. Did you understand how important the simple English is?
Yes, Tarun.
Yes, Taro. Okay. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. My name is Asif from Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am going to ask you some GK questions. Question for Grade-VII. Which is the first animal to go to moon? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is dog. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-VIII. Which snake lives in nest? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is king cobra. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade-IX. Which is the largest quantity found on Earth? Yes, you picked the right answer. And the answer is oxygen. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. Open question number 1. Colgate is a company belongs to which country? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is America. Let us appreciate them. Open question number 2. Which animal plants more trees than humans?
Squirrel.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is squirrel. Let us appreciate them.